I cannot stress enough how important it is for the bees to be able to keep the hive at an optimal temperature. Hot bees can die if the colony overheats. One of the simplest ways to keep your hive cool is by providing them with a fresh water source all summer long. The way I provide water to my bees is by using an inexpensive pet waterer. These are really simple to use and will hold several days worth of water. I just fill them up with water from the outside spigot. Don't worry, the bees aren't picky and will drink just about anything they can find. As you can see in this image right here of this puddle, this is one of their favorite watering holes down at my apiary. Once you fill the container, set the base on top, flip it over, and you've got an instant water station. I like to add some pebbles or small rocks so the bees have something to stand on or grab in case they slip in. I just found these out in the yard right before I did this video. Outside of that, it's all about keeping the water fresh. If they don't drink it all, replace it every couple of days so mosquitoes don't get in and have a chance to lay eggs. Providing water is one of the simplest and most effective ways to help your bees regulate heat and stay healthy through the summer. Set one of these up near your hives and your bees will thank you for it. Happy beekeeping.